Hello, this is Moneymaker. Today I'm going to talk about Feature Points. Feature Point is a website that started in 2012 and has paid over $5.8 million to users. All you gotta do, you can take surveys, earn cash back, and download the app on your phone, or you can take the surveys online, and it's available on Google Play and Apple Play Store. Let's go. Every day they have a content win instant contest, scratch to win 50,000 points. Complete surveys, they're very easy. Earn cashback. You can shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with feature points. Pays a commission for sending you to them. The store pays you a commission for sending you to them, and we will share it with you. You'll get a percentage. It could be from 1% to about 15%, depending on. And then feature stores are Gap, GameStop, Walmart, Microsoft, Sephora, Macy's, and plenty more. When you download apps, you can also earn points. Alright, here's the download Clash of Titans, you can earn 200 points. Some are for downloads, some you must complete other quests. And you can also earn points by show friends. And you'll get paid up to 50% every time your friend earns points for life. What you do redeem for your rewards, awesome rewards, Amazon gift card, PayPal, Apple Play Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and many more. So they got about 4 out of 5 ratings, and based on the reviews, website reviews, it's a legitimate website, and it pays you on time. Okay, let's read the terms and conditions. Let's see what that context. Account limitation, 1 account per person, rewards, you can get cryptocurrency. Any items are not redeemable for cash and cannot be exchanged, resold, or returned for a cash refund. Unused balance are not transferable, so any balance you not finish, it goes straight back to the company. Referral program. For first 2 friends, you'll receive 25% of qualifying points. If you have 3 friends, you will earn 50% qualifying points when they take surveys for life. Cryptocurrency rewards. They have Bitcoin, or if it's a Coinbase. Coinbase is an account required to claim cryptocurrency rewards. They're not responsible if something happened, then you have to create an account or to claim a reward must be subject to identity checks and verification. Survey qualification, they have limited liability, user conduct. Minimum age you can join is no one under the age of age 13 and up. If you're under 13, you cannot join the account. Terminate. Inactivity may terminate points or credit to your account. If you're inactive for about 60 days, so continue use it. Was last updated in 2019. So everything you can contact them through email. Yeah, let's see. Help in sport. What do you got? Hey, log in, sign up. Surveys, offers. When download apps, share with friends. Oh, yeah, let's see what you have to sign in. I've created it, made about a few $100s. So, like, for PayPal, they'll give you, like, minimum $5 cash out. Same thing for Amazon, and then so forth from there. Okay, let's see what else they have. Okay, go to the help and support. Okay, gift cards. They have a lot of gift cards. They also have Starbucks gift card. Each one has different minimums if you must meet. You also have Google Play, League of Legends, Blizzard, Nintendo eShop, Adidas, Space Pro, Burger King, CVS, Chipotle, Dash Pass by DoorDash, Domino, and a bunch of other ones which I'll list at the end of this video. Cash, PayPal, or Visa gift card. PayPal has a minimum $5. Same thing for Visa gift card. Let's see how far they can go a little bit more. Look like they can go above $100 gift card. So Bitcoin, it'll give you 10 US dollars for every 6,000 points earned. Put that at the bottom of the video as well. So most of the time it's just like downloading apps, trying it out. Download apps, you earn roughly about up to 200 points. If they tell you have a requirement to do, then you just do it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this to everyone so they know about future points. And have a great holiday. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.